Hello cutie pies! Welcome to my channel Master of Library. Today I am going to tell you about 10 lines on crow and parrot. So you don't skip this video and watch till end. Okay guys? So before that, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so you never miss any new updates. Lines on crow. So guys, the first one is the crow is a bird. It has black color. It has a black sharp beak. It lives on trees. It caws loudly. It has 2 legs and 2 wings. It is a clever bird. It is found everywhere. It eats all eatables. It is good learner. 10 lines on parrot. Parrot is a very beautiful bird. It has a green feather. It has a curved red beak. The male parrot has a black ring on the neck. Parrot eats grains, fruit, vegetables and boiled rice. It is a talking bird. Parrots found in warm countries. It lives on trees. Parrots are good learners. People keep it as a pet. So cutie pies, if you like this video, please like, share, comment, support and don't forget to subscribe. See you again in an interesting video like this. Bye.